This is first opening that we have, which is for the SOC Analyst, 1 to 3 years of experience required. Immediate joiners only. You join this thing. L1, L2 is positions, and there are things which is required, right? So just check out, and this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Next opening is Red Fox is hiring for the pentesting testers or AppSec or Red Team. It's in Mumbai. Hiring at Red Foxes tech.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? Next opening is for the freshers again, which is cybersecurity analyst. They are hiring for cybersecurity analyst. Freshers can do it's in computer. Computer is in Bangalore, na? Just let me know. And there are key responsibilities that you need to, and this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. If they are not responding, you can just message them, right? Next opening is in Mitch Joe's cybersecurity. So they are hiring for penetration tester, web automation. What they're looking for is passionate intern. And there are things. This is mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? It's an internship role, and this is 8 to 12 weeks of internship, right? It's remote. Next opening is Tech System is hiring for Pune and Hyderabad. They are looking for vulnerability management and remedies specialist. 6+ years of experience is required. Skills is VM remediation and all those things. Pune, Hyderabad, immediate joiners preferred. And this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Now, next opening is VAPT security consultant. They are hiring for web app, API, and mobile apps, network infra, cloud platform, AWS, Azure, right? And what you will get all those things. You will need to do all those things, right? It's in Pune, Gurgaon, and Mumbai based role. This is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume, and if you'll get selected, tada, just let me know in the comment box. Now, next opening is basically Demisto Technologies Private Limited. It's in Ahmedabad, cybersecurity consultant. For consultant role, 4+ years of experience is required, and for senior cybersecurity analyst, there are 3 openings, and you require 3+ years of experience. For cybersecurity trainer, it just required 6 months of experience, right? So you can apply for the cybersecurity trainer or professor, right? And you'll be having some good salary. Next is business development executive, which is a non-tech role, but again, if you want, you can apply. And this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? By the way, we are hiring at VIH for the BDA. Just let me know if you want to apply. Next is VAPT specialist. It's a contract role. Requirement is this is what you can see. This is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Location is Mumbai and contract is this one, right? Next is computer engineer, application security, Bangalore. They are the roles. Guys, this required minimum 6 years of experience and maximum 9 years of experience, right? This is what you need to do, and this is mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Next is, yes, that's what we have for today. This is Discord. You can join. If you're looking for training of internship program in web application pen testing, just check out this URL. And if you're looking for SOC training of internship program, you can check out this URL, right? So that's what we have. If you have any question, please ask in the chat box. I'll be waiting for the next 5 minutes, and then we can bind up this live, right?